Hi. Are you just gonna be all over this the whole time? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Liesl. The first day of spring, welcome back. And I am coming at you guys with a brand new look and feel and energy to my channel today. I've rethought a lot of things in the last couple of months of things I want to change about my channel and how I want to do things. And I have kind of decided that I'm not going to just limit this channel to cooking and baking. I'm also going to expand it to doing DIYs and crafts also, which is something that I also totally love doing. This is kind of gonna be a mix and match of everything that I love to do, and I think it'll be so fun. So today, I'm coming at you with a crafting video. I thought of this idea when I was in Dollar Tree, and I was trying to think of crafts that I could do on my channel that would be easy and cheap. And so I came up with this idea of a cute thing that you can hang on your wall. You could prop it up on a table and it could be super cute. It's very customizable. You can change it to be whatever you want it to be. Also, I'm getting over a head cold, and so my voice is kind of raspy. And I thought maybe I would wait till I got better to film this video, but I was like, you know what? Life is young. I'm gonna do it. It's fine. I will show you guys how to do this, and I would love to see your creations. If you want to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, that would be so fun to see. And let's get started. All you're gonna need for this DIY is a picture frame of some sort. It has 3 4x6 pictures in it, so I'm not sure what the exact measurements of the actual frame are, because we're not gonna use the inserts at all. We're just using the picture frame. So you just need a picture frame that is going to be wide enough to fit 4 of these chalkboard tags on it. And I'm going to be spelling out home on mine, but you can spell out whatever you want. I got everything in this video at the Dollar Tree. And this package of chalkboard tags comes with a 6-pack. So if you want more letters, you can just get another package of these. I got everything at the Dollar Tree, so it was only $4 for this entire thing, and it's gonna be so easy. And I chose yellow because I love yellow and it's my favorite color. But you can do any color you want. You can choose a different picture frame color. You can choose a different pen to write with. I'm choosing white because I wanted it to be white against black, but really you can do whatever you want. Basically what we're gonna start off with is we're going to take the plastic off of our Dollar Tree frame. So we're gonna take the back off of the picture frame, and we're gonna use this to trace for our insert. So now all you have is the frame with the glass, and you can set this aside. We're gonna take this insert thing that was in there to trace the inside of it. And you can throw this away, or you can keep it if you want. If you're doing like 3 letters, if you're doing like a picture frame to add for like a 1-year birthday party, you could do ONE, and you could hang it in the background of the pictures or something. That would be super cute. I got a giant piece of poster board at the dollar store for 50 cents. Because I needed it to be long enough to fit in my frame and not have to like tape pieces of paper together. So I got a poster board because it was only 50 cents, and they had like blue and green and orange. I decided to get yellow because I figured yellow would be bright and cheery. We're gonna trace out this piece of paper and we're gonna cut it out, and this is going to be the insert for our picture. Now I'm gonna go get scissors and cut this out. And Mango is wanting to help with our DIY project, so he's right in the way. And if you have kids, you understand this. If you have pets, you understand this. Basically, if you don't live by yourself, you understand this. It doesn't matter if you have pencil lines, because you can just flip it over and use the backside. So we are going to cut this out. And if you end up needing to trim it up so that it fits perfectly inside of your frame, you can. You have a lot of paper to work with if you mess it up the first time. Okay, so here is our insert. This is going to go inside of our frame. And now we're going to make the little tags that are going to go inside of our picture frame. These chalkboard tags, like I said, came in a package of 6, and we only need 4, so that's awesome. So you can always save stuff from DIY projects because you never know when you're going to use it again. Here they are. and they just hang from this cute little piece of string. And I'm going to write the letters for home on mine. Like I said, you can write anything you want. I got this chalk writer pen from the dollar store. I hate being sick, you guys. Like, I know that no one likes being sick, but I literally hate being sick. Okay, so here it is. Okay, it's not like chalk, like dry chalk. It's kind of like almost like a makeup, like a lip pencil or something. Should we test this out on something else before we write on the black? Probably. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I made an H, and so it's really easy to work with. It doesn't have a fine tip, so it's kind of fat, so it kind of depends on how thin you wanted to write your letters, but I think this will be perfect for what I'm wanting to do. So I'm going to write the letters for home, and you want to do them kind of big to kind of fill the whole thing. So there's mine, and that's pretty cute, huh? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our hot glue gun out, and we're gonna put a tiny little dot of glue on our yellow piece of paper, and we're gonna glue them into place. This way they're not gonna fall when you hang it up on the wall, and they stay in place forever, and so you don't have to worry about them moving. And then literally all you have to do is put this piece of paper into your picture frame, and it's done. How wonderful is that? And these could be super easy gifts for Christmas or birthdays, for Mother's Day, and you could even do scrapbook paper for the back if you wanted to. Put your letters on top of it. It could be a collage for a vacation that you went on, or your baby's first birthday. It's literally so customizable. You could do it with literally anything. So it's going to be so fun, and I can't wait to see your guys' recreations. My hot glue gun is still warming up, and I hate waiting for the hot glue gun to warm up. Am I the only one? Okay, and while we're waiting for that also, I realized these strings are a little bit long, so if you were to put it on here, it would hang pretty low, and I want it to hang about there, you know, halfway through. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to make new knots so that they hang a little bit higher up on the piece of paper, and then you can cut off the excess, and that way now you can glue it and it'll hang like a little bit more central. So I'm gonna do that with all of them. What are you guys up to? What have you guys been doing? COVID seems to be coming to an end, which is so wonderful. All right, so I cut them all to be a little bit shorter, and I think my hot glue gun is almost done warming up, and then we are going to glue them into place. Oh, that's Alexa telling me that my hot glue gun is warmed up. Yes. Now I figured before I glue them into place, I should probably make sure that my yellow piece of paper actually fits inside the frame. That's probably a good thing, right? I don't know. And we're going to make sure that this fits pretty much perfectly so we can put it into the frame and it'll fit. And ta-da! Look, it fits, it's perfect. And I'm gonna do the gluing off camera because my glue gun cord doesn't fit all the way over here. So I'm gonna go glue it and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I glued it and it looks so cute. So obviously I've got to pull the strings off the top of it, but how cute is that? And that's just gonna go into our little frame and it's gonna hang on the wall. And it's so cute, and you made it yourself. And if you were to buy something like this at Hobby Lobby or something, it would be like 12, 15 bucks, but you made it for $4. Okay, so now all we have to do is put it into our frame, and it will hang well. Whoa, this is a struggle. It's going to hang fine once it's in the frame, but getting it into the frame is probably going to be a little bit difficult. And it's going to be a little bit bulky because of your knots and stuff. But look, it's so cute. I love it. So now we're going to put the back onto it. Here we go. All your own. And you can add flowers to this. You can paint the frame if you wanted to even, but this is gonna go on your wall, and it's super cute and super easy, and you made it all by yourself, and I'm so proud of you. Let me know if you guys have any other DIYs that you want me to do. I'm coming out with more. I already have stuff in the works, Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!